So yesterday evening I arrived here in Dimitsana, which is a small mountain village, and I drove here around 3 hours, and the drive was already very, very beautiful. A lot of mountain landscape and a lot of greenery, and I came by this small church which was painted in this very colorful paintings, and it also had an amazing view. And then when I arrived here in Dimitsana, I was just stunned by the scenery. It was like sunset time, and it was just amazing. So I booked myself a hotel room here because there isn't really a good camping option for me here, and also I felt like I needed to recharge all the batteries of my cameras first, but also recharge my batteries a little bit for my next week that's coming up. It's currently Monday, and yeah, I'm very thankful that I can be here right now. So today I wanted to go around the village a little bit and explore. And yeah, then I'm driving to my next volunteering location, which I'm gonna talk about when I'm there.
The charming mountain village Dimitsana lies in the region Arcadia, the heart of the Peloponnese. As I make my way up the winding roads, I'm enchanted by the breathtaking scenery that unfolds before my eyes. Dimitsana is settled on the slopes of Mount Menalo, surrounded by lush greenery overlooking an impressive valley. As I explore the narrow streets lined with traditional stone houses, I couldn't resist popping into one of the local craft shops, where I discovered some unique handmade artwork and souvenirs. So if you're on the Peloponnese, be sure to make some time to visit Dimitsana. It's a place where history, nature, and Greek hospitality seamlessly blend together.
So I now left the village Dimitsana, but just 1 kilometer away there is an open-air water power museum, which I'm very interested to learn about. And let's check it out.
The open-air water power museum showcases the historic water mills and workshops that once powered the local industries. As I wander through the outdoor exhibits, I'm fascinated by the preserved machines and canals that utilize the power of the flowing water. These mills played a vital role in the community, providing jobs and substance. I gain deeper understanding of the close relationship between water and human innovation, as well as the cultural heritage that the mills represent. This is a testament to the innovative spirit of the people of Dimitsana and their respect for the power of nature. I continue my way and drive deeper into the Lucius Gorge. The lush scenery, dotted with monasteries hanging off the cliffs, creates a mystical atmosphere. The Lucius Gorge is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a place of rich history and mythology. According to the ancient Greek legends, this gorge was once home to nymphs and gods. Today, it offers a heaven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike.
Okay, so I just stopped for a while to explain what happened. So Google Maps took me on this crazy route, which is beautiful. The scenery is amazing, but driving on this dirt road for half an hour now with nobody around and very like steep hills up and down. Usually I don't have any problem with this, but alone, and yeah, I don't know. I hope I will find a normal street soon, because also my phone doesn't have any signal. And yeah, let's hope I will get out of here soon, because also I see some clouds in the sky. There's my savior, a normal road. Oh my god, I'm very happy to see this. I just thought I was on the road to the next bigger city, but it's a dead end. But I came to this archaeological site and there's actually some cars parked here, so I will check it out while I'm here.
If I'm honest, the archaeological site wasn't very interesting, but I found out where all the other people went. Because it was super hot that day, I decided to take a dip into the ice-cold water of the Lucius River.
I just got out of the valley and I highly recommend visiting this region if you're in the Peloponnese. And there's so much more mountain villages to discover, and also I think if you come here like in spring or in autumn, it's an amazing hiking area and it's super green and all the water that's running through the gorge is beautiful. I just took a bath in the river, as you could see. And yeah, I'm now on my way to Zacharo, which is my next stop for the week.
My next volunteering location is the Filia Laundry Shop in Moor, close to Zacharo on the Western Peleponnese. What started as a simple laundry shop has become a thriving oasis for creativity and connection. Sarah, the founder of this project, has poured her heart and soul into creating a space where travelers, locals and like-minded people can come together. When you swing by Filia, you'll not only get your laundry done, but also be treated with some delicious vegan treats from their food truck. They got you covered with everything a traveler heart could wish for. A shower, a workshop, a second-hand free box, and, of course, Wi-Fi. Filia also offers super charming guest rooms, and by staying here, you also support the incredible work that is happening within these walls. Because here's where Filia's heart truly shines. They're on a mission to make a difference in the lives of stray animals. They provide foster homes, medical care, and even assist with adoptions. Filia isn't just about laundry and furry cuddles. It's a community, a sanctuary, and a force for good. But what makes Filia the best place in the Peloponnese are the people. I got to know Hilly, who is a long-term traveler from Berlin, and she has so many great stories to tell. Luckily, she sat down with me for an interview.
Ich habe keine Wohnung mehr. Ich habe in Deutschland meine Zelte sozusagen abgebrochen, habe alles verkauft, also an Möbeln und so weiter, und bin dann vor ein paar Jahren losgefahren mit meinem Bus, den man vielleicht im Hintergrund sieht. Ja, und habe mich aufgemacht, die Welt zu erkunden.
Wie lange machst du das schon?
Jetzt 4 Jahre.
Du reist ja alleine bzw. mit deinem Hund. Und als Frau ist es ja manchmal ein bisschen schwieriger. Hast du da irgendwelche Erlebnisse oder wie gehst du damit um, wenn irgendwie irgendwas komisch ist in Situationen? Oder guckst du auch nach bestimmten Stellplätzen, wo es vielleicht manchmal ein bisschen sicherer ist? Oder?
Also ich gucke immer, dass ich mir vor Dunkelheit einen Stellplatz suche und parke eigentlich auch mal so in Fluchtrichtung, also für den Fall, dass ich wegfahren muss, weil es irgendwie ein Problem gibt, dass ich dann im Prinzip startklar bin. Ist mir nämlich schon mehrfach passiert, also deswegen mache ich das. Und das ist auch der Grund, warum ich mir den Hund zugelegt habe. Das soll sich jetzt nicht so anhören, als wäre Reisen alleine als Frau total kacke. Ist es nicht. Macht voll Spaß, aber trotzdem hat man immer wieder diese Momente, wo einem Typen irgendwie zu nahe kommen. Man wird schnell in Schubladen gesteckt. Schlampe, weil man alleine unterwegs ist, oder Heldin. Und die erste Frage, die mir gestellt wird, kulturübergreifend, ist eigentlich immer, wo ist dein Mann? Und ja gut, ich erzähle dann immer, keine Ahnung, Fahrradfahren, Angeln, bläh, kommt später, irgendwann merken die, kommt nicht, und dann geht es mitunter auch schon mal los. Also habe ich dann beschlossen, mir einen Hund zuzulegen, habe mir einen Straßenhund zugelegt, mit dem bin ich jetzt ein gutes Jahr, glaube ich, unterwegs und hatte seitdem nie wieder Stress. Also ich glaube gar nicht, dass er jetzt unbedingt so beißen würde, weiß ich nicht, die Situation hatten wir noch nicht. Aber er hat mir im Prinzip alle auf Abstand gehalten, von denen ich wollte, dass sie auf Abstand bleiben. Und ist aber zu anderen Menschen sehr freundlich, das heißt, läuft eigentlich ganz gut.
Hast du noch irgendein besonderes, spannendes oder komisches Erlebnis?
Ja, ich nehme mal so, ich habe natürlich viele Erlebnisse gehabt, gute, schlechte, komische.
Ja.
Ich nehme mal eins der letzten. Das war letztes Jahr im Dezember. Ich war mit Freunden am Polarkreis, also mit 3 Fahrzeugen. Das heißt, ich bin auch nicht immer alleine. Es liegt eigentlich immer daran, dass die anderen zu wenig Zeit haben oder kein Geld, weswegen ich dann oft alleine bin. Aber ich fahre auch, wie gesagt, immer mal mit Freundinnen und Freunden. Wir waren am Polarkreis, es war Schneesturm, es war super arschkalt. Ich bin hinter einem Berg so rausgefahren auf eine Ebene und wurde vom Schneesturm erwischt und mein Auto hat es auf die Seite gelegt. Und das war schon ein ziemlich krasses Erlebnis.
Ja.
Also so in Zeitlupe fällt der ganze Bus, kippt rechts um. Allerdings schon auch in so einen Graben dann rein.
Ja.
Aber es waren über 2 Meter Schnee, dementsprechend.
Aber dann hängst du ja quasi in der Luft.
If you want to hear more of Hilly's exciting stories and get some tips and tricks for traveling with a van, check out the Filia interview episode, which is already up on my channel. Let me take you through a typical day as a volunteer at the Filía Laundry Shop. As I open the door and step out of my room, I am greeted by the 2 adorable puppies. In the first couple of days, I gave them new names, just as a joke, but I kind of stick to them. Because we had Escape by Rupert Holmes blasting during our work a lot, I thought Pina and Colada would be fun. Like, you get it? If you like pina colada and getting caught in the rain. Anyways, for the first half an hour, my time is filled with cuddling and playing with the dogs, saying good morning to everyone. There's also a baby cat that roams around and the dogs playfully chase her, but it's all good and fun. Afterwards, I make myself a cup of coffee and soak up the peacefulness before everyone else wakes up. My view is also worth mentioning. Then it's time to clean the customer area. The puppies always lend a helping hand, or should I say, helping paw. They are truly an asset to the stuff. It doesn't take long until I give in and have a small playing break with the little rascals. Later, I worked on creating new stickers for the laundry. I planted some plants that day and also sewed some pillowcases. During my time there, I even painted a new road sign to make it easier for travelers to find the Filia. I'm usually not very good at painting or lettering, but I felt like accepting a new challenge, and in the end I was quite happy with my work. As the day ends, we gather together and grab a beer, enjoying the beautiful evening. We often drive to the beach, where the dogs have a blast at playing around. We join in for a swim, soaking up the sunset and the joy of watching the dogs in their element. That's a glimpse into the daily life at Filía Laundry Shop. I must say, I truly enjoyed every moment of it. So, why not get involved yourself?
Today I came to the ancient Olympia to look around, but first I had a pleasant visit to the doctors because my left ear is inflamed, and now I'm on antibiotics for 10 days. But this is very interesting and it's huge, so yeah, I'm happy to walk around a little bit and explore some history and culture.
Ancient Olympia is the birthplace of the Olympic Games and holds a rich history dating back over 2,700 years. The origins of the Games can be traced back to 776 BCE, when the first recorded Olympic Games took place. The stadium is huge and some kids are racing towards victory. Back then, people would just gather around the area as there wasn't any seating. The Temple of Zeus is something else. Inside, there used to be this gigantic statue of Zeus, one of the 7 world wonders of the ancient world. At the gymnasium and the palestra, the athletes trained and prepared for their games. Afterwards, I visited the archaeological museum. It's filled with incredible artifacts they found here. Ancient Olympia is a treasure trove of history. The next day, we took a little trip to a nearby canyon which is called Gorge Areni. It's a little bit hidden in the backcountry of Zacharo, but that's why it's still a secret spot. Our main goal was to find a waterfall, but unfortunately we couldn't locate one. Nevertheless, the whole area was stunning and we enjoyed every moment of our walk. As we ventured deeper into the gorge, we encountered small water caves and majestic limestone formations that the tectonic pressure formed over millions of years. The dogs were a bit unsteady at first, but with patience and a lot of treats, we managed to navigate through the challenging parts. There were even sections where you had to swim through the river. It was quite cold, but it added to the adventure and made it even more fun.
I just left the Filia Laundry, and honestly, if I could, I would have stayed much longer because I really enjoyed my time there. Even though I had an infected ear, or still have, I bumped my head super hard. I have some knee problems since jumping in the waves, and I had a flat tire. This all didn't matter because the people there are so supportive and heartwarming, and yeah, they make you feel super welcome. And Sarah has created such an amazing space where people just can come together and work together, and I really enjoyed the time there. And I hope I will see those people again in the future. They're mostly long-term travelers, and I'm super excited to hear about their next adventures, and I hope I can be back at some point at the laundry. So if you're ever in the area of Zacharo, definitely stop by. You can drink coffee there, or just cuddle with some puppies, or wash your laundry. Yeah, and just check it out yourself. And now I'm already on the way to my next project. I have like half an hour left to drive. It's not that far. And yes, this you will see in the next video. Bye!